Welcome to our Financial Freedom video series on Road to Make Your First Million, where we break down essential financial concepts for everyone, from beginners to those with more advanced knowledge. In this series, we will walk you through real-life scenarios, step by step, covering topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, insurance, planning for the future, making your first million money, and finally achieving financial freedom. Each episode will introduce new concepts in a relatable way, making financial planning easy for everyone. Whether you are just starting to think about money management or you are looking to refine your financial strategy, our characters will guide you along the way with practical tips and insightful discussions. So, join the journey with our main characters, Raj, a hardworking husband, Priya, a wise wife, their curious 8-year-old daughter, Anya, and I, your storyteller, as they explore the world of personal finance, helping you understand how to take control of your finances and secure a bright future for yourself and your loved ones. Let's begin. Meet Raj and Priya. Like many families, they have a lot on their minds: paying bills, planning for the future, and making sure they can live comfortably today while still preparing for tomorrow.
Hey Priya, I'm just trying to keep up with all these bills. I feel like we're always stuck in this bill trap month after month.
I know, Raj, but we need to think about the future too. Anya's going to need college money, and we should be saving for retirement. Where do we even start?
This is the moment when Raj and Priya realize they need a plan. A financial plan is a roadmap for how to handle today's expenses, save for tomorrow, and achieve their dreams.
Raj, how about if we start by making a budget? That way, we can see where our money is going each month.
Priya, that's a good idea. But how do we make sure we're saving enough too?
Well, we will figure it out later, but let's start with listing down our current expenses.
And both of them gather together, taking out a notebook and calculator. The first step in their journey is simple, that is getting organized. List all your monthly income and expenses with details and make sure to include savings as a must-pay category, just like bills. Since you have reached this point, I am confident you like our video. I request you to please like and subscribe to our video. This will not cost you anything but will motivate us to create such content for you and the audience in future. Please share a comment what you want us to cover topics in future videos. Thanks. Now we get back to our video, Road to Make Your First Million.
Priya, I think your suggestion is working. Looking into the plan, we will save 10% of our income for our emergency fund, and can start small with a retirement account.
That sounds great. Now, let's plan to set some goals. Saving for Anya's education, buying a bigger house in a few years, and having enough for retirement.
The family sits together with smiles on their faces, feeling more confident. By taking small steps, the family is on their way to financial security. Financial planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's about starting with simple actions: budgeting, setting goals, and saving consistently. Your financial future starts now. Take that first step toward a better tomorrow. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, starting with the basics and gradually working toward more advanced financial strategies. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.